Uh-oh, he's trying to drop shit on me. I can see him up there. See him? Holy crap. He doesn't like me. He's gonna piss on me or throw something at me. There's two of them. Oh my goodness. See that? They're throwing shit down at me. And if I stay too long, they'll get really pissed. So those are the Howler Monkeys, and every morning about 4 o'clock, they howl, and they sound like a TIE fighter. Just crazy, fucking crazy. So, but they are really cool, and here we are in Costa Rica Rainforest, middle of fucking nowhere. See ya. Check them out, dude. Wow. What if I do that? No, this way. See there? They know I'm here. Yeah. They know I'm here. Very cool. Maybe they're just grubbing on stuff and throwing it down. Maybe they'll give a rip about if I'm here or not. Alright. Wow. Just incredible. This is the wild.